Here is Izzy, just arrived, so I asked them to put the dogs through a very simple introduction, kind of a process, so now she has no desire to follow, and without stopping doesn't lift her head up. Oh yes, that's what you can work on. Excellent. So she has probably been to some sort of force training obedience classes when she was younger, so you can tell why the whole body is saying that. No, I certainly don't enjoy that. Wait, no recall there, so she'll be heading the other way. Lovely. Good. Anything else you've introduced her to, like lying down, stage?
She's right, look down.
Doesn't even look up. No, that's still not. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Good.
Wait.
All right. Thank you very much. That's excellent.